So it's tiny, tiny, tiny surf. So I'm gonna go give it a go. On the point, I've got a bit of moisture underneath the lens, so we'll see how that turns out. But it is so small, I'll be impressed if I get anything at all. Safe to say, all the rubbish there. Anna said she spotted a break round on one of the lookouts. Or could paddle around, but it's too fast, so I'm gonna have to see if I can find a path. Right. Let's see if I can catch up to her. A little bit better, a bit like busier. There's water, it's so. That wall is very nice.
I told you.
I'm ready for the go. Bit of a later morning than yesterday. Gotta chill out and then go find a little surf, I think. Have a bit of a relaxing day. Hannah's hiding from the sun in her bit of shade. Perfect bench. Bloody lovely out here today. Gotta go check the same spot as yesterday because that first place we went in again, that main break, just shit again. So we're going to walk over the cliff again to have a look. Another tiny, tiny day. There's so many whales jumping up right from the back. Like massive ones. There you go, it's good to get in with the whales while we're surfing, but tiny, so small. But I don't think it's gonna get better while we're here, so might as well. It's good fun there. Right, gotta go see if the sunset's any better. Well, any better, see how it looks. Because the weather's got a bit rubbish now. The wind's picked up. There you go, camp's packed down. We're going to go to Snapper Rocks today and aim to go around the Gold Coast, like Surfers Paradise and all that jazz. Snapper Rocks about an hour away from here, literally just, I think it's just in the Queensland border? I don't really know, I think so. I think it's literally just next to it. It's about an hour, that'll be decent. Yeah, it's been a decent little camp here, 3 days, it's been really nice. So yeah, decent.